The Lance Krall Show. The John Henson Project. Premiered 2004. 10 Seconds. Premiered 1993. Factory. Premiered 2008. Super Agent. UFC Unleashed. UFC Unleashed. Phowned. Premiered 2010. Layers. Premiered 2010. 1,000 Ways to Lie. 1,000 Ways to Lie. King of Vegas. King of Vegas. Stripperella. Raising the Roofs. Fourth and Law. Premiered 2009. Coal. Invasion, Iowa. Invasion, Iowa. Murder. GameTrailers TV with Geoff Keighley. Time, the Kalief Browder story. Premiered 2017. The Kill Point. Premiered 2007. Hey, Spring of Trivia. Premiered 2002. UFC All Access. WWE Experience. Premiered 2004. Season 1, Episode number 5. The squad heads for the water realm of Salinius, ruled by Princess Marista. But first they need a ship. Premiered 2020. UFC Primetime. UFC Primetime. American Woman. Premiered 2018. WWE Confidential. Premiered 2002. Bar Rescue. Toughest Cowboy. Inkmaster. Premiered 2012. U.S. Navy Pirate Hunters. Untold, the greatest old stories never told. Bam's World Domination. Premiered 2010. Wild World of Spike. Spike TV VGA Video Game Awards. Oblivious. TNA Epics. Premiered 2009. Scrappers. Feathers. Three Sheeps. Premiered 2006. Watch Hunters. Premiered 2010. The Joe Schmo Show. Premiered 2003. The Dudesons. Premiered 2000. Surviving Disaster. TNA Reaction. World's Most Amazing Videos. Premiered 1999. D. Premiered 2008. Spike Guy's Choice Awards. Premiered 2007. Blade the Series. Jail. Premiered 2007. The Ultimate Fighter. Pros vs. Just Joes. Premiered 2006. Mansers. Premiered 2007. Blue Mountain State. 1000 Ways to Die. MXC.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.